My flow is no familiar thing. I'm like the right combination of change. Zigzag blunt raps for 95 cents cause it hit it just don't cut it like a dull pair of scissors. What good is a blade that couldn't cut paper? I'm sharp like pain, killers and crooks. I'd rather be rapping and throwing some hooks, busting with the left and the right and get took out of your comfort zone. I'm just trying to warn ya, bippity boppity bomb. I just want a tour bus, more sluts, less nuts. Got a guy that can roll blunts. Gotta ride the ride if you wanna feel alive, huh? Yeah, and we can cut through the bases, but what good is a plan when you never take it past the first stage? Bitches be coming and going and going and coming. My grind is so fine that it be looking like snow. Oh yeah, Kool-Aid tastes much better when it's spiked. With the right mix, you could put it on ice. Find another person who can put it down like I do. Every verse is sounding perfect in the timing. Oh man, I knew when I first began I was headed straight for greatness. It's been like that ever since, and I'll be damned if I don't make it. This is it if you don't like it. She didn't even seem to like you. She'd rather see a star than the darkness that surrounds you. How profound that I denounce that to the crowd. How could I do that because you thought I learned my name is fucking Ty bitch? FTB, fuck all those bitches. Words are something that I invent with, but you don't want to be on the end of that. I end it, the relationship is mended. When I said I didn't want one, this is why I meant it with the shit. I'm like a chemist, we just got this brand new kit. It's let's quit it. I'm an assassin and I'm killing. Body counts surpass 1,000,000. On point, let's change the subject. Am I done yet? Nowhere near it. How else should I impress you? I have everything that's left. The only thing that I would ask is at the last, you know the best is me and only me. Competition isn't even in the forecast for seasons. I mean reasons. I strongly believe that a scar is worth the beating. To be hard doesn't mean meaning. Everything we do has meaning. 3 of my philosophies like pot, Mary Jane, and weed.